Good morning, Year 3. It's the 24th of February and we're revising strategies in Big Maths. I'm going to give you a number like 34 and we're going to do things to it. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is I'd like you to find me half. First thing you do is you partition it. The 4 really is a 4. The 3 looks like a 3, but it's not. It's a 30. What's half of 4? What's half of 30? Well done, it's 15. Add them together. Bingo, and half of 34 equals 17. If we were doing double, it would be the same strategy, but instead of halving it, we would double it. So we know the 4 is a 4. We know the 3 isn't really a 3, it's a 30. What's double 4? Well done, it's 8. Double 30 is 60, so the answer is 68, bingo. Okay, so doubling and halving is easy peasy. Right, let's go back to our 34. If we wanted to find 34 add something equals 100, we need to find our friends to 100. So what we do with our 34 is we use the sword, like that. And we ask ourselves in the ones, what goes with 4 ones to make 10 ones? What goes with 4 to make 10? 6, well done. And in the tens, we ask ourselves, what goes with 3 tens to make not 10 tens, but 9 tens? What goes with 3 to make 9 tens? And the answer is 6, okay? Because 6 and 3 make 9. When you add them both together, you get 100. So we know that 34 add 66 equals 100, okay? Right, let's go back to our 34. Poor fella. If we asked 34, what 34 times by 10 would be, well, that's easy peasy, because we move the digits one place across. So that's 0, that's ones, that's tens, that's hundreds. The 3 tens becomes 3 hundreds. The 4 ones becomes 4 tens, and we use a placeholder in the ones. So it's 340. Do you remember doing that? Awesome. Right, let's get back to 34. If I said to you 34 take away 10, don't get out your fingers and toes. All you need to do is say, it's take away 10. So I'm taking it away from the tens. I've got 3 tens there. Take away 1 10 gives me 2 tens, so it's 24. If I was adding 10, easy peasy lemon squeezy, I look at the 3 tens. I've got 3 tens. Add 1 more 10. It makes 4 tens. Right, let's go back to 34. Now, this is the sticky bit I wanted to remind you of. If I said 34 divided by 10, it's a bit tricky because 34 isn't easily in the 10 times table. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to skip count in tens. Here goes. So that's 10, 20, 30. Go one more, 40. I don't need to go further than 40 because 34 doesn't come after 40. Where would 34 be? Where would 34 be? It would be about there. Okay, so how many tens? I've got 1 lot of 10, 2 lots of 10, 3 lots of 10. So 1, 2, 3 lots of tens fit in. But that only takes me to 30. I need to go to 34. So count on from 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So I need 4 footsteps to get to 34. So remember we said it was remainder 4. And I use a big 3, a little r, and a 4. Okay, so 3 lots of 10 fit in. 1, 2, 3. We're starting at 0. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 footsteps take me to the answer. Right, but if I said divided by 5, what would I skip counting now? Not tens, but 5. So here goes. Start at 0 this time, 0. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, I need one more, 35. Do I need to go past 35? Nope, because it's 34. So where would 34 come? Where would it come? About there? I think 34 would be about there. So how many lots of 5s fit into 30? Not 35, because 34 is there, and I'd get zapped if I went further. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 lots. 6 lots of 5. But that only takes me to 30. I've got to get to 34. So I need 31, 32, 33, 34. I need 4 little steps to get to 34. So it's 6, remainder 4. Okay. Right, this time if I said not divided by 10, not divided by 5, but divided by 3, I've got to skip counting 3s. Some of you might be able to do this in your head. You might say, oh, I know how many 3s fit into 33. But let's think of doing it. Let's skip counting. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. Do I need to go any more? Yes, I do, because it's 34, 36. Now I can stop because 36 is past 34. So where would 34 come? Where would 34 come? That says 30, 33. It would come about there, wouldn't it? So how many lots of 3 fit into 33? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 are lots of 3 fit in. But I needed to go to 34. So how many footsteps between 33 and 34? 33, add 1, 34. So it's remainder just 1 to get to 34. Okay, and it would be the same for divided by 4, but you'd be skip counting in not 3s but 4s. I'm going to give you a number like 34, and I'd like you to halve it, double it, find its friend to 100, times it by 10, take away 10, and then divide it by different things.